In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logseq as a work journal. By the end, you'll have a simple daily system for tracking tasks, capturing meeting notes, and reflecting on your work all in one place. First, open your browser and head to the Logseq website. This is where you'll access the interface we'll use. If this is your first time, don't worry. Logseq is built around plain text and bullet points, so it's fast, flexible, and easy to learn. Think of it as a digital notebook that automatically organizes your notes by day and lets you expand or collapse details as you go. Once you're on the site, click on Journal. The journal is the heart of Logseq. It's a daily page that updates to today's date, making it perfect for a work log. Each day is its own canvas, so you can capture everything in context and return to it later. You'll see a clean space with bullets ready for you to type. Bullets can be nested with the tab key to create structure, and you can collapse them to stay focused. Now let's set up your journal for the day. Start by typing 3 simple headers right on the page: tasks, meetings, and notes/reflections. Keep them as top-level bullets so they're easy to spot. Under tasks, add short, actionable items, 1 per bullet. If you like, prefix each one with to do to make it clear it needs doing, and change it to done when you finish. Keep the wording specific. Start with a verb and include any key details. You can nest sub-bullets for steps or context and collapse them to reduce visual clutter. Under meetings, create a bullet for each meeting you attend today. On the first line, include the meeting name and time so it's skimmable. On indented bullets, jot the agenda, decisions, and any action items that came out of the discussion. If a task emerges, copy it into your tasks section so all commitments live in one place. This keeps your follow-up work visible without hunting through notes. Finally, under notes/reflections, capture quick learnings, blockers, and wins. Keep it honest and concise. What moved forward, what got stuck, and what you noticed about your workflow. If something needs a future nudge, add a brief reminder note beside it. This section becomes a running record of progress and insights, which is invaluable for weekly reviews or status updates. That's it. Visit the website, open the journal, and structure your day with tasks, meetings, and notes/reflections. Keep entries brief, use indentation to add detail without noise, and check in throughout the day. With this routine, your work journal stays clear, actionable, and ready for tomorrow.